Hi friends, we are learning a object oriented programming system, and in last video we have seen what is the class, what is the object, and now in that video we have to learn encapsulation. So let's see here, what is the encapsulation? Encapsulation means binding a data and methods together and protecting the data from outside access. So what is the encapsulation? Encapsulation means binding the data and methods together and protecting data from outside access. So let's see another one definition. Here you can see encapsulation is the process of wrapping the data and methods together into a single unit and restricting direct access to the same data. So encapsulation is the process of wrapping a data and methods together into a single unit and restricting direct access to the some data. So let's see this first example. Here you can see this is a class account and def in itself. So already we learned this is a constructor. When we use double underscore init method means this is a constructor and self keyword is referencing the current object of a class. And one more new thing you can learn here, self dot balance. So balance is a variable, but you can see this is a double underscore front of this variable. Double underscore means private variable, right? Remember, when you assign a double underscore any front of a variable, this is called as a private variable. So private, it will not access outside the class. And just we are learning encapsulation. In encapsulation, private variable is very important. So let's see, this is a class account, and this is a constructor define itself, and there self dot balance equals to 1000, suppose we declare. And one more method, this is a def show balance self and print self dot balance. So data is in a private mode. So how we can access this data? So here you can see data is a hidden using a private mode, right? In private variable. So how we can access? So let's see. Just open your VS Code and first create this class and this method. So I will show you how to access this data. Just create encapsulation.py file. Now let's start to create the class. What is the class? You can see class is a account, right? Class is a account. And what is the constructor? You can see def in itself, def underscore init. Self is a compulsory, and in that just you have to declare one variable, private variable, self dot declare, self dot balance is equals to suppose 1000, right? So this is a private variable, private variable, right? So we have created one class, and in that we have created one private variable, right? Now create one more method, def show balance. show balance. And that self is a compulsory because this referencing the current object. Self colon, and in that just print self dot balance. Print self dot balance. So we have created one class and we have created one methods, and data is a hidden form. So now in this example you can see, so how to access. Here you can see this is one method. Just we are looking for this first example. So just see, so we have to create the object. You already know how to access create an object. So let's create one object here, object of a class. Suppose ECC equals to account. We have created object of a account. Now you can see, if you want to access the balance, then you can't access directly balance because this is a private mode. So you have to access this show balance method, then only you can access. Means we encapsulate the data into the single unit only. So here you can see acc dot show balance, and now run the program. You can see in terminal 1000, right? So we can access only the methods, not directly. Suppose directly I type, or you can't access directly by a object. So you have to call this a method, then only you can access. Means we have binded the data into the single unit. So that's why this is called as a encapsulation. You can see, you can create another method as well in this example. Suppose deposit data is a protected using a private. You can create just like a deposit as well. So let's create this method as well. Or let's create dep. Means we are hiding the data. This is called as a encapsulation. Dep deposit. You can see in deposit method, self is a compulsory and just pass the amount. Means we are depositing the amount into the bank. Why self is a compulsory? Because it is referencing the current object. And here you can see balance in deposit method. Self dot balance plus equals to amount, means whatever balance already in our bank. So when you deposit, then this will plus will into the your balance, right? So self dot balance plus equals to, suppose here you can see the plus equals to amount. Now you can see already we have a 1000 balance. Now we have to deposit balance, then we can't directly add into the balance. You have to call this deposit method, then only you can add the balance. See, suppose acc dot deposit. Now suppose I add 500, and after that I will print again, call this show balance method. Now you can see first of all there is a balance is a 1000, right? After we deposit a 500, then balance will be the 1500, and we are depositing the balance by using a method only. See, method, we data is a private mode, protected mode. So this is called as a encapsulation. We are binding the data. For secure reason, this is very helpful. So encapsulation means binding the data and methods in together and protecting the data from outside access. So that's all about the encapsulation. Just remember, encapsulation means binding the data and methods together and protecting the data outside access. So we can't access the data outside of a class. So that's all about the encapsulation. How to create class account. This is a constructor, this is method, and you have to create the private variable. Then only you can create a encapsulation. Means we are protecting our data by using a private variable. And if you want to access, then you have to access the methods. Can't access directly the variables. So that's all about the encapsulation. In next video, we will see another features or concept of a OOPS programming. So thank you for watching this video.